How do ecologists separate competition from other negative interactions? Imagine you're watching a busy park filled with different animals and plants. Some are fighting over resources, but others are just accidentally causing trouble. How do scientists tell these apart? That's what we're here to find out. Ecologists focus on the specific ways species interact and how those interactions affect each one. When two species compete, they both struggle because they need the same limited resource like food, space, or sunlight. This means both suffer some harm because they are sharing a resource that can't support everyone fully. To figure out if it's competition, ecologists look at whether the species are fighting over the same resource that is scarce. For example, two plants growing close together and competing for soil nutrients or sunlight are likely competing. If they both reduce each other's access to these resources, it's a sign of competition. Another way ecologists tell competition apart from other negative interactions is by checking if the species are directly interacting or just affecting each other indirectly. Competition can happen directly, like animals fighting over territory, or indirectly, like animals eating all the food so others can't find any. If species are fighting physically or directly, it's more likely competition. Ecologists also look at how each species is affected. In competition, both species experience negative effects. Their growth slows down, reproduction drops, or survival becomes harder. This is different from predation, where one species benefits by eating another, which is a positive-negative interaction. Sometimes, species seem to hurt each other without sharing resources directly. This is called apparent competition. It happens when two species are both preyed upon by the same predator. If one increases, the predator might eat more of the other, making it seem like they are competing, but actually, it's the predator causing the problem. Ecologists analyze food webs and predator numbers to tell the difference. Studying how species use resources helps ecologists understand if they are competing. If two species use the same food or habitat at the same time and in the same way, competition is likely. But if they have different times or ways of using resources, they are not competing much. This is called resource partitioning. Knowing how to tell competition apart from other negative interactions helps in managing ecosystems better. For example, if a new plant species is outcompeting native plants for sunlight, ecologists can take steps to protect the native species. Or if predators are causing declines, conservationists can focus on controlling predator numbers instead. In short, ecologists separate competition from other negative interactions by checking if species are fighting over the same limited resources, whether both are harmed, and if the effects are caused by direct fighting or indirect factors like predators. This helps us understand how species live together and share their environments.